Hello everyone, I am Ali.
And I am Lucky. Hello, hello. We are so happy you are here today.
Today we're talking about one of the most important words in English. This word is get.
That's right. It's a small word, but English speakers use it every single day.
And sometimes English learners feel confused because get has so many meanings.
Exactly. One little word can mean many different things. That's why today's episode is going to be very useful.
By the end of this episode, you'll know some of the most common get phrases that native speakers use every day.
And don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll explain everything in simple English with lots of examples.
That's right. We want you to understand these phrases and start using them in your own conversations.
So grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's learn English together.
Let's start with our first phrase, get up.
Get up means to wake up and leave your bed.
For example, I get up at 7 every morning.
That's a very common sentence. What time do you usually get up, Ali?
Usually around 7 o'clock, but honestly, on weekends, I like to sleep a little longer.
I think many of our listeners can relate to that.
So remember, get up means wake up and leave your bed.
Great! And after we get up, what do we usually do next?
We get ready.
Exactly. Get ready means to prepare yourself for something.
For example, she gets ready in 20 minutes.
Some people get ready very quickly. Others need an hour or more.
That's definitely true.
And while you're getting ready, you probably get dressed too.
So what does get dressed mean?
It means to put on your clothes.
He gets dressed quickly.
Very simple and very useful.
So now we have 3 phrases already. Get up, get ready, and get dressed.
And we're just getting started.
Let's continue after a short break and learn even more amazing get phrases.
Yes, get. This is a small word, but it is very, very useful. Native English speakers use get every day, many times every day.
That is true. In this episode, we will learn how to use get in simple, everyday situations. We will go slow. We will use easy sentences.
Perfect for beginners. So, are you ready? Let's get started. And yes, get started is our first get phrase of today.
Good one, Lucky. Okay, listeners, repeat after us when we say the sentences. This will help you remember. Let's go.
Okay, let's start with the morning. Every morning, what do you do first?
Every morning, I get up. Get up means to wake up and leave your bed. I get up. Say it with me. I get up.
Good. Now let's use it in a sentence. I get up at 7 o'clock every morning. Say it slowly. I get up at 7 o'clock every morning.
Excellent. Now, after you get up, what do? You get ready. Get ready means to prepare yourself. Wash your face, brush your teeth, and prepare for your day.
I get ready for work. Say it with me. I get ready for work. Very good.
And after that, you get dressed. Get dressed means you put on your clothes. He gets dressed quickly. He gets dressed quickly. Notice something important. When we say he or she, we add S to the verb. He gets up, she gets ready, he gets dressed. But with I and you, we don't add S. I get up, you get ready. That is a great grammar tip, Lucky. Okay, let's practice together. I will say a sentence, and you, our listener, repeat it. Ready? Here we go. I get up at 6 in the morning. Now you say it. One pause for listener to repeat. Great. Now try this one. She gets ready in 20 minutes. Say it. One pause for listener to repeat. Great job. You are doing very well. Now let's talk about going places. When you arrive somewhere, we can use get. For example, I get to school. This means I arrive at school. Get to means arrive. For example, I get to work at 9. Say it with me. I get to work at 9. And when you arrive at your home, we say get home. Not get to home. Just get home. This is very important. Yes, we say I get home at 6, not I get to home. Repeat after me. I get home at 6. Let me ask you, Ali, what time do you get home after work? I usually get home at about 7 in the evening. I take the bus, so sometimes I get home a little late. And what about weekends? On weekends, I don't go to work, so I get up late, maybe 9 or 10.
Lucky you. Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. Answer this question. What time do you get home? Think of your answer.
Now this one is very important for English learners. I get it. This means I understand. When your teacher explains something and you finally understand, you can say, "Oh, I get it."
Exactly. I get it means I understand. Very useful in everyday conversations. And what about the negative form? We say, I don't get it. Sorry, I don't get it. Can you say that again?
Let's practice together. Say it with us. I don't get it. Very natural. Native speakers use this expression all the time.
Now let's talk about get plus an adjective. When we use get with an adjective, it often means something is changing. For example, I get tired. This means I am becoming tired.
Here's another one. I get hungry at noon. That means I am becoming hungry. She gets nervous before exams. She is becoming nervous. The situation is changing, and that's why we use get.
And here's our favorite sentence for today's listeners. Your English gets better. Every day you listen, every day you practice, your English gets better.
Let's say it together. My English gets better every day. My English gets better every day.
Yes, we love that sentence. Say it again with confidence.
Beautiful. Keep believing in yourself. Now let's do a quick mini quiz. I'll describe a situation and you tell us the get phrase. Situation number 1. Your alarm rings. You leave your bed. What do you say? You get up. Correct. Situation number 2. You understand the lesson. What do you say?
I get it.
Perfect. Situation number 3. It is 12 o'clock and you are becoming hungry. What do you say? I get hungry. Very good. Now, let's learn another common use of get. When you receive something or buy something, you can often use get. I got a message. This means I received a message. She got a new job. She received or found a new job. We got tickets for the concert. In this case, we bought the tickets. So get can mean receive, buy, or obtain something. Can you get some milk from the shop? Here, get means buy. This is very common everyday English. Let's listen to a short conversation. Hey, Lucky, did you get my message? Yes, I got it this morning. And I got you a coffee. Oh, wow. Thank you. You got me a coffee. Did you notice all the get phrases? Get my message means receive my.
Now let's learn one more very common use of get. When you receive something or buy something, you can use get. I got a message. This means I received a message.
She got a new job. She received or found a new job. We got tickets for the concert. This means we bought tickets. Here, get can mean receive, buy, or obtain something. Can you get some milk from the shop? In this sentence, get means buy. This is very common everyday English. Let me give you a short dialogue. Listen carefully. Hey, Lucky, did you get my message? Yes, I got it this morning. And I got you a coffee. Oh, wow, thank you. You got me a coffee? Did you catch all the get phrases? Get my message means receive my message. Got it means received it. Got you a coffee means bought a coffee for you. Now let's practice. Complete this sentence. Yesterday, I got a... Think about something you received or bought yesterday. Say your answer out loud. Great. Maybe you said, I got a message. Or I got a coffee. Or I got some food. All of those answers are correct. Okay, we are almost at the end of today's episode. Let's review everything we learned today. Lucky, can you give us a quick summary? Of course. Number 1, get up means to wake up and leave your bed. I get up at 7. Number 2, get ready and get dressed mean to prepare yourself. She gets ready in 20 minutes. Number 3, get to means arrive. I get to work at 9. And get home means arrive at your home. Number 4, get it
means understand. I get it. And I don't get it means I don't understand. Number 5, get plus an adjective means something is changing. I get tired. My English gets better. Number 6, get plus an object can mean receive or buy. I got a message. She got a new job. Wow, that's a lot of get. And now it's time for your homework. Today, use get in 3 different sentences. Talk about your morning, your day, or something you got recently. Say it, write it, or even record yourself speaking. That's a great idea. Every time you use a new word, your brain remembers it better. So make sure you use get today. Thank you so much for listening to Lucky English for Beginners. We truly appreciate you spending time with us. We hope this episode helped you feel more confident using English. Keep practicing a little every day. Remember, your English gets better every time you listen, speak, read, and practice. In our next episode, we'll learn another very useful English word and how native speakers use it in real life. We can't wait to learn with you again. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep getting better. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. See you next time.